into a smoke-filled room. No one could keep their eyes off you. Every little drink or two.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Julia, and this is kind of weird filming a video without Saud. But anyways, I have been seeing I tried so-and-so's makeup look, makeup tutorial all over YouTube, and I have gotten so many requests to do this. So I decided, why not? Let's give it a try. So I'm probably gonna be looking into this monitor right here a lot during this because I haven't made a makeup tutorial in a long time, and I'm gonna kind of want to check and make sure my camera is focused, make sure I'm looking okay. I'm going to be copying a Nikkie Tutorials makeup look. She's super talented. I love all her makeup looks, and this one's actually gonna be stepping outside of my comfort zone. You guys know I usually stick with very light eyeshadow, neutral brown looks with some false lashes. But I saw her dig into this Morphe palette, and I actually bought one similar to the one she's using in this video the other day. So she's using the warmest palette that Morphe came out with, but the one I bought is very similar. It's not as warm as the one she used, but it still has a lot of the similar tones. So I figured that this would be the perfect tutorial. With that being said, I already have my face makeup on. I honestly just wiped off my makeup from the day with a makeup wipe, and let's get this video started. Okay, so pause. I need to put something on my eyelids because I wiped all my makeup off. So what I'm gonna do real fast, I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way foundation that I used all over my face, and I'm just gonna reapply this to my eyelids real fast so that I match the rest of my face pretty much. That's literally all there is to it. Just when I wiped all the foundation off, it just made my eyes obviously lighter than everything else, so we're just gonna do that. This beauty blender is honestly still pretty damp from this morning when I did my makeup. Okay, so the color that she went in with, I'm gonna say looks most like this color right here. So I'm gonna take my Morphe brush. I don't know what brush this is because I'm not a makeup guru.
Width is tan.
Tan.
Start by packing it on the outer corner here.
Okay, so we're gonna start packing. Okay, I wanna make sure you guys can see. So, start packing. How far did she pack it? She packed it in about halfway, so. Pack. Okay, so she said that we're just gonna pack it in right now and then we're gonna blend in a minute. So I'm gonna listen to her.
And I'm gonna buff out and smooth out the edges.
Okay. Why did I just forget how to do eyeshadow? Like, why did I just completely forget how to do eyeshadow? And yeah, I'm literally blending with the same brush. Judge me. I feel like this is not the shape she was going for, but I'm just gonna hope that this forms a better shape as time goes on. Okay, so now she's taking a red, and I don't have a red. I'm gonna take the closest thing to red I have, which is this copperish color. Okay, so she said like in her third of the eye. So I'm gonna take it right here. I'm gonna bring it up to meet this other color, because if not, it's gonna be ridiculous. How did beauty gurus do this? It is so hard to film and do your makeup. They must have like this huge I mean, I know they have this huge professional setup, but like, when I do my makeup, I am like this close to my vanity. What now, Nikki?
Going in with the color Rustic, this is a stunning, very pigmented copper shimmery shade.
Oops, I already used that.
On the lid, blending into Fire.
Now we're going to use this like goldish one because we have to improv our colors here. Oh my goodness. I can definitely say I've never had eyeshadow like this, but I'm not mad. She's probably gonna tell us we need to blend, so. The shape of this eyeshadow is just weird for my eye shape. She is totally rocking it, slaying it, but I like a more round eyeshadow look. Okay, I'm struggling with this eye. This is where I'm.
Grabbing a Smashbox full coverage shadow brush and going back in with Chestnut and defining the lower lash line and making it smoky, baby.
Alright, so now we're going to take that improv color we just used and we're going to put it underneath our lashes. Hers looks so much better. She has a strong highlight going on, so. Alright, so it literally took me 20 minutes just to put on these false lashes, and they aren't even like that dramatic or that great like Nikkie's are, but it'll have to do. So here's what we have so far. I'm a mess, but I'm trying for YouTube. So let's move on to the next thing. She uses like a really dark maroonish lip, and it's kind of sparkly. Alright, I don't have a lipstick like the one she put on, so we're just gonna wing it. I'm gonna use Dazed by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's just a mini one. We're gonna hope that this works out. Okay, so I think that's the closest that lip color is gonna get. I don't have any chromey look lipstick. Guys, I personally would never ever do this, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of the video. I'm gonna apply an eyeshadow on top of this lipstick to kind of make it look like Nikkie's a little more. I'm just gonna take this really small random brush I have, and I'm gonna go into this copper shade. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so it didn't work as well as I wanted it to, but it still kind of worked and added a little shimmer. All right, guys, so this is the final look. I'm honestly, it's not the best I've ever done. The eyeshadow kind of needs blending more. It's kind of a mess. I'm not the best at eyeshadow, but I still tried for the sake of this video. If you guys would like to see a makeup tutorial of my own, comment below, let me know. But anyway, I will see you guys later.